Hey, Officer Friendly with the cherry cheeks. Oh, I ain't worried about that shit. Y'all get that shit. Black people don't. So you can cough your white ass back where you live at. Fuck out of here. Fuck wrong with him. Tell them niggas don't get that shit. They the ones get that shit. Fuck out of here. Fuck. You need that extra layer of skin. Fuck out of here.
Tell them don't come through here with that shit.
Try to come through here coughing like that shit cute. I should call the CDC on his ass and let him know he just did some dirty ass shit like that. Fuck wrong with him. He gonna walk past coughing and shit. Stupid bitch. You ain't gonna infect nobody but your co-workers. Fuck out of here. Fuck wrong with him.